Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to talk about page 33. In this unit we will be asking about people. As we did in last video, we were asking about people. Who is he to you? He is my brother. But today we have to ask about people around us and more people. For example, who is he? He is Mashal Baba. And who is he? He is Dr. Sib. So we can ask more other questions about people who we almost don't know, or people who are living around us and we have a little bit knowledge about. So let's do this activity practically and ask about more people in our society to understand how to ask and how to answer.
Okay, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Did I do good? It's not good. Because when we start something, we have to start it with salam. After that, we have to say good morning. I did this intentionally just to show you, because it's a hadith, and the mafhum is that whenever you start something, starting with the name of Allah, and if the thing is started with the name of Allah, it will be completed really well. كل أمر ذي بال يبدأ بسم الله فهو أعظم. And it is a long hadith, but I talked about part of that. So whenever we start, when we come, we have to start with salam, because in salam we call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well. Okay, that's fine. So dear students, today I have brought you an activity that is ask your brother and sisters. I will have an activity with different students. I will show them the pictures that will say whoever they are. For example, he is my brother, she is my sister, he is my grandfather, he is my friend, he is my mother, she is my mother, and just like that, we will have bulk of conversation. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. So let's do that. Okay, Salva, you will have to tell me. They may not be your real brothers and sister, but you have to use this vocabulary. Salva, who is this?
This is my brother.
Okay, very good. And Salva, who is this?
This is my father.
This is my father. Salva, who is this?
This is my sister.
And who is this?
This is my baby brother.
Excellent. And who is this?
This is my baby sister.
Excellent. And who is this?
This is my mother.
This is my mother. Clap for Salvanur. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay, that's good. Now I will ask one more student about this, and will answer me. It should be in voice. And okay, Muhammad Mustafa, who is this?
He is my brother.
Excellent. And Muhammad, who is this?
He is my father.
Excellent. And who is this?
He is my sister.
And who is this?
He is my baby brother.
Excellent. And who is this? She is?
She is my baby sister.
Excellent. Very good. You told it a bit slow, but that was natural. Okay, and who is this?
This is my mother.
This is my mother, or she is my mother. Excellent. Very good. Clap for Muhammad Mustafa.